I want to bark at this like it's a cucumber. I just did it! Oh, fuck you! I can do anything! What is that? It feels weird. You look horrified. I am a little scared of it. It feels strange. Is this like a ram? Is this an ox? I think it's an ox. A Benjamin Franklin? When you looked at this, you thought Benjamin Franklin? That is the funniest thing I've ever heard. His name's Ben now. Why do you have this weird texture on you? Who hurt you? What a goofy thing. I want to eat it so bad. Like, this looks like a gummy. I want to eat you, but I won't. Because you would probably taste awful. This one is pure. It doesn't have a face. It's not the horror that is these guys. You can't tell me that this isn't the scariest thing you've ever seen. Look at their terrified faces of their screams. This is like what I want stress balls to be. You know how people give you the stupid ass stress balls and you can't, it's like I want to like I want it to be like this. But you can't. It like only lets you do like this much. That's not satisfying. But this is nice. Ah, finally we got more poppets. Okay, okay. This one is a little stocking poppet. So crisp. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, you know what? I just got an idea. Okay, alright. So I connected them together, right? Can I just like tie it under? Will that work? Oh, I can't, okay. Just pretend. You get the concept. The thought is there. Why choke me when you can just pop it? Ones are divine. Guys, it's a fidget that also spins. I also feel like this can very easily become a swastika, and that is not good. Oh, ew. That's got a weird texture. Those distressed hands. I don't know how I feel about this. Ah, my skin is crawling, dude. Like It's hitting this weird in-between spot where it's like I kind of like it, and then I hate it. You know what I mean? Why is there a hole in its butt? You know how like sometimes dogs will just bark at things? Like they'll like bark at a cucumber or something? This is how I feel. I want to bark at this like it's a cucumber. I want to put my finger through this, but I feel like it's gonna be bad. I'm gonna do it anyways. Ah! Put it down! No! I'm on a roll. I want to bark at it. Ah, God, I don't know why. It's just weird. It like almost feels like it's furry, but it's not. It's like it almost wants to be furry, but then it's like kind of cold, and it feels like it maybe should be slimy, but it's not slimy. You know? I don't understand. What are you? And then it's like a little fucking unicorn. But it's like, why is your body like this? Who made you for why? I give this a weird out of 10. I give this a, I want to bark at it like a dog barking at a cucumber out of 10. You can put it on your wrist? That's why there's a hole? Oh no. I don't like it, but I have to try it. Ah! I feel weird about it! That's exactly how I feel. Oh, that wasn't the sound I thought it was gonna make, but it was weird. Oh, wait. Oh, it sounds good when you don't put your fingers in it! Because then it can go through the tube! It sounds like a spaceship. I like that it, like, goes down a scale. It's like, oh, this one's so cute. It's gay. Guys, I got a gay drink as a poppet. Is that what they put in the water to make the frogs gay? It's this. Yes. This is making the frogs gay. We have another one of these. And now we got to, oh wait, I can do the thing that talking about, where you connect it. Holy shit. I don't understand. I don't get it. Whoa! Big sound! It sounds like a UFO! I gotta go fast, because it's big. Oh shit! We're fucking it up! This is a workout. I'm gonna hurt myself. Pull them apart and do both. Hold on. What if I, you know those streamers where they have like cameras everywhere and they like switch between and they're just like vibing? What if I do that? What if, what if I'm just like standing and like... Shit. Whoa, I can make it a tube. I actually really like hula hooping. What if I got a hula hoop? What if I do hula hooping streams?
You want a big hula hoop?
Oh my god!
With lights?
A hula hoop with lights?
Baby.
And the one that make the noise? That they go shh.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Hula hoop stream? Switch hands but don't stop spinning it? Okay, that, I don't know if I can do that. Ah! No, I can't do that. Ah! Nope, I can't! Oh shit! Did y'all see that? I just did it! I just did it! Oh fuck you, I can do anything! It's a paw poppet! Oh, that's a good noise, dude! Hello? Look at all of the fidgets on my fucking desk, dude. Hello? This is insane. Insanity.